Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into creating a bedroom that's not only stylish and magazine-worthy, but also sustainable and perfect for couples. Think romance, relaxation, and eco-consciousness all rolled into one beautiful space. We'll explore a range of ideas, from choosing the right color palette and incorporating natural textures to selecting eco-friendly materials and adding personal touches that celebrate your unique relationship. Get ready to transform your bedroom into a sanctuary for two. The foundation, a harmonious blend of style and sustainability. Before we jump into specific decor elements, let's talk about the overall philosophy. Creating a sustainable and stylish bedroom for couples is about finding the perfect balance between aesthetics and eco-consciousness. It's not just about choosing organic cotton sheets, though that's a great start. It's about considering the environmental impact of every decision you make, from the furniture you choose to the paint you put on the walls. Think long-term value, durability, and responsible sourcing. This approach not only benefits the planet, but also creates a space that feels good to live in, a space that reflects your shared values as a couple. It's about creating a haven where you can both relax, reconnect, and truly feel at home. Color palette, setting the mood for romance and relaxation. Color is a powerful tool in interior design. It can evoke emotions, create atmosphere, and even affect our sleep. For a couple's bedroom, the goal is to create a calming and romantic ambience. Think soft, muted tones that promote relaxation, such as warm neutrals like beige, cream, or light gray. These colors create a peaceful backdrop for your personal touches and allow other elements in the room to shine. If you want to incorporate bolder colors, consider using them as accents, like in throw pillows, blankets, or artwork. A deep, rich blue, or a warm, earthy green can add a touch of sophistication and drama without overwhelming the space. Remember, the key is to choose colors that you both love and that create a sense of harmony and tranquility. Textures that tell a story, adding depth and warmth. Texture is another essential element in creating a cozy and inviting bedroom. Mixing different textures adds depth and visual interest, making the space feel more layered and dynamic. Think about combining smooth surfaces like glass or metal with rougher textures like natural wood, woven baskets, or textured fabrics. A sleek modern lamp can be beautifully juxtaposed with a chunky knit throw blanket draped over the bed. A soft plush rug underfoot adds warmth and comfort, while linen curtains create a light and airy feel. Don't be afraid to experiment with different textures to create a space that feels both luxurious and inviting. The interplay of textures adds a tactile dimension to the room, making it more engaging and comfortable. Statement walls. A touch of drama and personality. Statement walls are a fantastic way to add a touch of personality and drama to your bedroom. Instead of painting all four walls the same color, consider creating a focal point with a bold wallpaper pattern, a textured paint finish, or even a gallery wall featuring artwork and photographs that are meaningful to you as a couple. A statement wall can add visual interest and create a sense of depth, making the room feel more spacious and dynamic. If you choose to use wallpaper, opt for eco-friendly options made from recycled materials or sustainable forests. Remember, the statement wall should complement the overall design of the room and not overwhelm the space. It's about adding a touch of personality and style without sacrificing the overall sense of calm and tranquility. Furniture. Functionality meets artistry. Furniture should be both functional and beautiful. Choose pieces that are not only practical, but also contribute to the overall aesthetic of the room. A stylish armchair in the corner provides a cozy spot for reading or relaxing, while a beautifully crafted dresser adds storage and style. Consider investing in high-quality furniture made from sustainable materials, like reclaimed wood or bamboo. These pieces are not only environmentally friendly, but also add a unique and characterful touch to your bedroom. Look for furniture with clean lines and timeless designs that will last for years to come. Avoid trendy pieces that will quickly go out of style. Instead, focus on creating a space that feels both modern and classic. A space that you and your partner will love for years to come. Personal touches. The heart of your shared space, personal touches, are what truly make a house a home. In your shared bedroom, these personal touches are even more important. They represent your unique relationship, your shared memories, and your individual personalities. Display photos from your travels, artwork you've collected together, or special mementos that represent significant milestones in your relationship. These personal items add warmth, character, and a sense of history to the room. They tell your story as a couple and make the space feel truly yours. Don't be afraid to showcase your individuality and create a space that reflects your shared passions and interests. Eco-friendly choices. Living in harmony with nature, sustainability should be a top priority when designing your couple's bedroom. Choose eco-friendly materials whenever possible. From the furniture you select to the bedding you use, opt for organic cotton sheets, bamboo blankets, and natural fiber rug. Look for furniture made from reclaimed wood, recycled metal, or sustainably sourced bamboo. These choices not only reduce your environmental impact, but also add a natural and organic feel to your bedroom. Consider using low VOC paints and sealants to improve indoor air quality. Small changes can make a big difference in creating a healthier and more sustainable home. Lighting, setting the mood for romance. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood in your bedroom. Use a combination of ambient lighting, task lighting, and accent lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Dimmer switches are essential for controlling the intensity of the light and creating a romantic ambiance. Consider adding sconces on either side of the bed for reading, or using a floor lamp in the corner for a soft, ambient glow. Candles are another great way to add a touch of romance and warmth to the room. Choose natural soy or beeswax candles scented with essential oils for a relaxing and eco-friendly option. Plants, bringing the outdoors. In-plants add life, freshness, and a touch of nature to any room. In the bedroom, plants can create a calming and relaxing atmosphere. Choose low-maintenance plants that thrive indoors, such as snake plants, peace lilies, or spider plants. These plants not only look beautiful, but also help purify the air, creating a healthier and more comfortable environment. Consider placing plants on shelves, windowsills, or even hanging them from the ceiling to add visual interest and create a sense of connection to nature. Creating a sanctuary for two, a space to cherish. Your bedroom should be more than just a place to sleep. It should be a sanctuary, a place where you and your partner can relax, reconnect, and recharge. By combining sustainable choices with stylish design and personal touches, you can create a bedroom that's both beautiful and meaningful, a space that truly reflects your love story. It's about creating a haven where you can escape the stresses of everyday life and enjoy each other's company. Take the time to curate a space that feels both comfortable and inspiring, a space that you both cherish. Your bedroom should be a reflection of your love and a place where you can truly be yourselves. Conclusion. In short, designing a sustainable and stylish couple's bedroom is about creating a haven that reflects your shared values and fosters connection. By thoughtfully choosing colors, textures, furniture, and personal touches, you can craft a space that's both beautiful and meaningful. Prioritizing eco-friendly materials adds warmth and character while benefiting the planet. Ultimately, your bedroom should be a sanctuary, a place to relax, reconnect, and celebrate your love story. Use these ideas as inspiration, personalize them to your tastes, and create a space you both cherish. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.